In this video, I explain print command in Python. But if you are new on my channel Statisticians Club, please subscribe the channel. In Python, the command print tells the program to display words or numbers on the screen. So type here print, write print command in small letters. Inverted commas, I write here hello world. Hit on run button. Here you can see the answer is hello world. One thing is, remember that print command means display what inside the parenthesis. Hello world is called text string or simply string. You can also print words or numbers. So I write here print 1 2 3, hit on run button. Here is answer 1 2 3. So when Python display a string on the screen, quotation marks do not display. They are only quotation marks does not display. They are only in your code to tell Python that it deals with string or it deals with strings. So inside inverted commas, either it is number or words. These are called strings. So print command is not write in capital letters, otherwise it did not display. Suppose I write print in capital. Here P is in capital word. Print. Hit on run button. As you can see, error appear. This is line number 3, input in line 3, cell line 1. The name print is not defined. So print is not defined. So remember that in Python, print command is only used in small letters. No capitalized word is used in no capitalized word did not used in print command. Thanks for watching. If you want to see videos on how to large font size in Python, to increase font size in mat type or R, then click link in front of your screen. Thanks for watching.